a table. See, there's a lot of option. Inserting table 2 into 1, 2 into 2. If I giving a 1 into 2. If I want to add rows, I can use this option now. And I similarly inserting row below, inserting row above. This is deleting row. And if I want to add column, I can use this option, inserting row above, inserting row below, and deleting column. And this is merging cells. If I want to merge the cells of the tables, I can use this option. And this is splitting cells. If I want to split the cells of the tables, I can use this option. This is changing the color of the cell, a single cell. See, this is changing a color of the table lines. If I give a red, see, this is the table. If I want to change the font color, if I giving black color and typing something here, if I'm typing my name, see the font color is in black. If I want to make the font color font in bold, I can use this option now. If I want to use this table on my mind map, I want to activate this mind master by using the license key. So now I'm not activating the license. So I'm not giving OK here. I'm exiting. Next one is when I click into the callout option, see I'm placing the cursor in the callout option. This is hyperlink. If I want to have add any link, I'm providing a mind map. In this mind map, I want to add a link of a website, whatever I needed. I can add the hyperlink by using this. See, I am giving here the page 114 callout and hyperlink. I'm something. This is a Tamil callout, so I'm giving www.tamil.com and I give now I'm giving OK. See a callout. See which is in blue color. A short hyperlink was added in the callout, which is in blue color here. If I click to this link, I will get this page. And attachment. If I want to add any attachment to this callout or summary in whatever main topic, I want to use this icon. Everyone know what is mean by attachment. An attachment is a file or folder. I just want to give the it is this new attachment and just want to give the pathway of the attachment like my PC, my Windows documents, like the pathway. If I want to add more attachments, I can do, and I'm giving OK. See the attachment is as added here like a chain. See the icon here which isn't show short. So I'm highlighting with this cursor. An attachment is added here. You can find the attachment by clicking on this. And third one is note. If I want to add any notes to this, I can add this note to this. The note is indicated by the yellow icon now. And next command and last one is tag. Tag is nothing. You can add any other tag resources to this page format. By tag will be activated only if we activate the license. And the last option is layout. I can change the layout of the style of the mind map by using this icon. See, there are many layout options here. And numbering. I can add the numbering when we use multiple topics. The multiple topics will be assigned with numbers. And the second one is increasing the width and size of the multiple topics or main topics, and resetting the everything. And if I click reset, everything will be reset. The whatever changes I had done in this will not be considered. And next thing is page style tab. When I go to page style tab, see this is theme. What is mean by theme? These are the theme of the mind map. When I click in this, see the total theme was changed. You can see the preview, but you can't apply it without activating license. See, you can see the preview here, how the themes are changing. Similarly, customize theme. We can, if we want to, there are defaultly many themes are in MindMaster, but if we want to customize theme, if we want to do any theme by ourselves, we can use this option now. And theme font. This is the font which we type into the main topic or main idea. See how the previews of the, when I change the font, you can see the preview here side. See when I give time new Roman Arial big. See the letters are changing according to the theme font, and this is theme color. See the colors are changing. I think you can preview it. And this is rainbow. Rainbow will be activated only if we activate the license, and hand drawn style also. Everything, these page style icons are will be only used when we activate the MindMaster software. And this is background color.